Welcome to Friday Friendly Kitchen. Yesterday was a noisy day, Good Friday, with the crucifixion of our Lord as the memory. And today is the silent day. Yet we all look for something consoling and healing. So this would be a good dish that to be eaten on Holy Saturday. Rasam rice. Without further delay, let's get into the kitchen, and I also welcome all those who are new, and happy Holy Saturday to you, and all those who are with me, happy Holy Saturday to you. Before we celebrate Easter, let us celebrate Holy Saturday. Let's get into the kitchen without further delay. Our first step is to soak the tamarind. So 1 cup of water and a lemon size of tamarind, and we soak the tamarind. Our second step is to wash and soak the rice. So I have 1 cup of regular rice, and also I have Toor Dal, Toor Dal, which is 2 tablespoons. And so I'll be washing it. The rice is washed, and now it has to be soaked for at least about 20 to 30 minutes, and meanwhile that we'll prepare the other ingredients. To begin with, we will start off with the oil, about 2 tablespoons of oil to be added in your pressure cooker, and also followed by the mustard seed. It is 1 teaspoon of mustard seed, and we will wait for the mustard seed to crack. Until then, we will cover this with a mash, and we will keep on waiting. The mustard seed is cracking right now, as you can hear, and we will wait for the mustard seed to finish cracking, then we will add the next ingredients. As the mustard seed has already cracked, we will add Chana Dal 1 teaspoon, and we will wait until it changes its color. The Chana Dal is changing its color, and we will add Urad Dal 1 teaspoon as well. And we will wait until the Urad Dal starts to change its color, and we will add the next ingredient. And also the Urad Dal is changing its color, and it's time to add jeera or cumin seeds 1 teaspoon. And now within few seconds I have pounded 4 small garlic, and we will add the garlic into this. And we will saute the garlic until it gets browned a little bit. And as the garlic is browning, and we can add the dried chili. 2 small dried chilies. If you have big, just add 1. And also followed by the onions. 1 small onion, a medium size, chopped, and you add them together. And along with that, we will add some curry leaves, 1 sprig of curry leaves, and also we will add some salt. And for the onions to get translucent fast. The onions are getting translucent, and at this stage we will add the tomatoes. I have 1 chopped tomato. To allow it to cook faster, I'm just adding a little bit of water, and we will cook the tomatoes. So this will take approximately about 5 minutes, so we will wait for the tomatoes to get mushy. And the tomatoes are mushy now, and now we can add the spice powder. There is only 2 spice powder, which is turmeric 1/4 teaspoon. And also the Rasam masala powder, which I made a video on that. If you are not sure how to make it, please check the link below in the description box and you can do it accordingly. And with that, now we will mix it up together and we will wait for another 3 minutes for the masalas to cook a little bit. And with that, now as the masalas are getting cooked, we can add the tamarind juice or the tamarind extract of 1 cup. And now we will just mix it up together, and also we will add the soaked rice which we washed earlier, and so this can be added into the pressure cooker. And along with this we will add 4 cups of water. 4 cups of water is being added. Please adjust the salt according to your taste. We added earlier, so just make sure that you don't add more. And now we will bring this to a boil of 6 whistles. About 4 to 5 whistles should be good, but 6 whistles is better. And with that we'll add the weight for the whistle, and we'll increase the heat a little bit and let it calm the whistle boil. Our rasam rice is ready. So this is how it's supposed to be. It's a little soft like porridge, and so this is how it is going to be. So I hope you will try this in your kitchen, and it's very, very delicious and tasty. We have come to our final part of our video for this Lenten season, and all the recipes that I have demonstrate, it's usable any time of the year, but it is more suitable during fasting time. So I hope you have enjoyed all my videos that throughout the season of Lent, from Ash Wednesday till today, Holy Saturday, or they call it as Black Saturday as well. So I hope you are observing your fast well, and we to celebrate Easter tomorrow. As the tomb is closed, the Lord will resurrect tomorrow. So let us celebrate Easter tomorrow, but today, by meditating on the passion that happened yesterday. So with this, I end my demonstration for this channel and for this Lenten season of 2023. I wish that everyone had a good Holy Week and Lenten season. So till then, bye bye, see you in my next video, and happy Easter in advance. We will meet up with Easter videos, which is starting off day of tomorrow itself. Thank you, bye bye.